My name is Oladele Hawau. I scored 364 in the just completed 2025 UTME, and I'm the second highest scorer of Unusualsciencetutorial's 2025 Jamb class. University Phase 1 class, which held December 2024, and I stayed in UST all until the end, January, February, March, and then April to final revision classes. I am so grateful for the gift of UST, and I actually found out about UST from the book himself, the phenomenal Dr. 𝐿. When I started for my UTME last year, I almost started with a lot of mark for medicine and surgery by about 3 points. So I was devastated actually. So when I finally got and I decided to seek for UTME again, I reached out to a lot of people I knew were scholars, one of which was Dr. 𝐍𝐤𝐿. I specifically needed to know what sets a 299 score, which was my previous UTME score, 2024 score, apart from the very high score, 1930, because I wanted to know what I wasn't doing actually, what the 330 specials, what they did differently. Dr. 𝐍𝐸𝐿 really advised me, and then he introduced UST to me. I was very reluctant at first because I attended an online tutorial before, and I thought I could actually do this on my own, but I knew I had a problem with English, and I knew I had to treat it differently this time around. Seeing the massive scores of all the co-founders of Unusualsciencetutorial, Dr. 𝐍𝐸𝐿, Dr. Joshua, Dr. Brian, and Dr. Deborah, I was really wowed, and I saw that what UST had to offer was really different in terms of English, and I gave in and I joined, and I'm so grateful that I joined. I don't regret it. From the back-to-back classes, the midnight classes, the mentorship session, the mock exams, the mock exams, the calls that you get from Dr. 𝐍𝐸𝐿, Dr. Joshua if you don't reach the benchmark that they set for you in your mock exam. Everything really helped me. Chemistry classes were just out of this world. I have to give it to Dr. Brian's. The way he explains chemistry concepts and all, I really got to understand some concepts that I've been reading over and over again since in the history of my preparation for the UTME. I got to understand them truly and really for like the first time. So grateful, which is why of course I scored 97 in chemistry. I'm so grateful for UST and everything, for UST, for everything they did for us. The final revision classes, the special physics classes, special chemistry classes, and everything, even the math that Dr. 𝐍𝐸𝐿 took us, even though we weren't doing math, he took us math to like aid our physics, conversion, dimensional analysis, and Dr. 𝐍𝐸𝐿's YouTube videos, friction, that I was really scared of. I got to understand it, and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful to my Allah, I'm grateful to my parents, my siblings, my friends, and every person that checked on me throughout, because it's been a journey and it's far from over. It's actually just starting. I'm so grateful to everybody. You're a 2026 Jambite and you're looking for the best way to prepare for your exam. I recommend the Unusualsciencetutorial 1 million times. The best place to prepare for your exam. It's been given to like the rules, the regulations and everything. Your life will really be transformed. As Dr. 𝐍𝐸𝐿 will always say, today a man decides to change his approach to life, that's the day your life will change. So take this word with you, and I hope as you join UST, you decide to change your approach to studies and everything, and by God's grace, we'll all be celebrated. See you at the top. Bye for now.